How to fix secure boot is not enabled error in Battlefield 6. So if you go to the Battlefield 6 page in your library or store page, it should show you this warning if one of those are not detected to be enabled. And to enable them, you will simply need to go to your BIOS menu. So first, if you don't know which key to press to go to the BIOS, you will need to search up your motherboard. For example, mine is MSI B360 Gaming Plus, and then followed by BIOS menu key or BIOS key, and it should tell you which key to press to open up the BIOS menu. So in this case, the delete key, and all you need to do right now is restart your computer, and before your system boots up, you should keep pressing that key to open up the BIOS menu. Once you are in the BIOS menu, it should look like this. You should press F7 or go to the advanced mode, and from there you should go to the settings on the left side for MSI motherboards, and then you should go to advanced and then Windows OS configuration, and then you should find the secure boot option there. Make sure the secure boot is set to enabled, and then make sure the secure boot mode is set to standard as well. Now you should only save the settings by pressing F10, which will prompt you to save the settings and leave and restart your computer. Press yes. Now your computer should reboot. And once your computer is restarted, just open up Steam as administrator and simply launch Battlefield, and that should fix the issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.